The main goal of the Ad Council is to make our community stronger.
It really all comes down to what do we want to change, who are the right people to have in the room to talk about that change, and then how do we do it. Our community impact campaign process is a little bit different than our capacity building program suite. We don't really have a client in terms of an individual nonprofit. We really look at our campaigns as the community as our client. So typically, a collaborative of nonprofit organizations will apply either in the spring or in the fall for campaign support with the Ad Council. We also have the ability as an organization that really has our finger on the pulse of what's affecting the community at any given time to self-identify an issue and really tackle it on our own. The most recent example of that is distracted driving, where there's not, a nonprofit that's what their mission is to focus on this. So the Ad Council, being a leader in community change, really decided that, you know what, we're not going to wait for somebody to come to us to submit an application to work on this issue. We're going to work on this issue.
Todd introduced the idea of the distracted driving campaign at one of the celebration luncheons, and I was already wildly enthusiastic about it because I have young adults as children who are always texting and driving, and so it's sort of been a personal campaign of my own. And so when the email came through asking for volunteers, I raised my hand immediately. I also raised the hand of my daughter, and so we signed up to do Count the Texters on a street corner in downtown Rochester one morning. And it raised awareness for her, but more so I think it's the engagement of the community behind this campaign that's more impactful for her and for me. As drivers, now we're more aware of all the people around us who are really putting us at risk.
Yeah, you're that distracting. When you call or text, first ask if they're driving, or wait for a safer time to talk. Visit youarethatdistracting.org to see how you can help end distracted driving.
One of the campaigns that we always talk about, because it's been benchmarked as a national model, is our lead poisoning prevention campaign. We've been working on that since 2004, and to date have seen a reduction in childhood lead poisoning by 84%. The reason that's worked is because our philosophy about having lots of different moving parts to make community change has been present in that campaign since it started. Those components are, yes, an advertising campaign, but also grassroots efforts and working with the medical community and working with the business community and working with the city and the county, and having this umbrella advertising message that is really in support of all of these things that are happening on really the ground level has led to a really true community collaborative effort that has resulted in significant change that really nowhere else in the U.S. has seen.
It's this understanding that collectively we can do more together.
Yeah, the creative community, the media community, and nonprofits supporting each other. That's Rochester.
Everyone in our community benefits from their being here and being dedicated to our causes.
Change, especially behavior change within individuals and within a society, takes a long time.